Hello and welcome back, Real Man's Garage. We're in the garage today talking about portable mini video projectors. You got all that drone footage, you want to have a look at it on a big screen. This is an inexpensive way of doing it. We're talking Canadian money, under $100 for each one. We're also going to talk about maybe some Bluetooth speakers that are under $40 Canadian. Are they any good? Are they worth looking at? We're going to find out. Here are 5 of the most popular brands currently on Amazon, all under $100 Canadian, okay? We have the T950S, we have the Wemos P61, we have the HY300 Pro, the Naneti NT30, and the HI01, okay? They're all different, they all have good, they all have issues, okay? But they're all under $100, they're all inexpensive, don't expect the world from them. We also have the Artisan X8 Pro Bluetooth speaker. Really good, waterproof. We're going to look at that. Does it make a difference? I have 2 of them because you can link them together and have stereo. Awesome. Under $40 Canadian. Let's have a look at them all. So if you check the database out, you'd find out that this is probably the brightest, and then it goes down from there, okay? But all these down here are almost the same, okay? Again, you're not going to get 4K digital amazement on a screen, but you're going to get pretty close, okay? So here's a clip, a little animated clip that I used a bunch of these on in a darkened room, okay? And then I cropped out the actual video and put it into one slide. Tell me what you think. I was amazed. I couldn't believe it. I thought it was absolutely exceptional, okay? Have a look at that and then come back.
You're joined. Enough weather gauge. Shall we draw it upwind? Aye. And cross the T. Port to port, Mr. Chris. I'll hammer into the wind as high as she'll bear, Miss Marino.
Furl the maiden port. Lead your head south. Make the wall.
There we go. Heads up. Aim low. All right, you fish killers. We come all this way for a proper fight. And now we'll get it.
How was that? Yeah, some clear winners, obviously. That one, and the Naneti NT30, the T950S, okay? A little bit better in a darkened room, okay? In a dark room, they all do pretty well, okay? We're gonna talk about the speakers as well. The next clip, I'm gonna run some video footage from the drones, and we're gonna have the music, a little bit of music with it, come through the mic I have here, and when I turn on the speakers to have a look at them, okay? And the speakers have equalizers in them. You can get standard, bass, and news voice. So if you can't hear the words on a movie, you'd use news voice, and it makes it easier to hear the words, okay? So let's have a look at those and then come back. This is all from the HY300 Pro, set on cinema mode. We're in a darkened hallway in the basement on a light gray wall, a 5-foot screen just about, okay? And this is a 1080p review video that I shot about the Atom 2. Stereo or whatever speakers are coming out of the little guy in front of me there, and I'm standing back about 3 feet with my lavalier mic, and it's just the speakers, and let's go. Hello, welcome back to Real Man's Garage. We're outside today, beautiful day, a little wispy, white clouds and blue sky, etc. We have today the Potensic Atom 2, the Potensic Atom 2, okay? I've been busy with some other drones lately, some turned out, some didn't, etc., etc. So we're going to give this one a shot. We got the Atom 1, I have a couple of videos on that. The Atom 2, I got a little while ago, I was waiting for some updates to come on, and they have, not the ones we wanted, but we're going to have a look. Okay, we've got the Bluetooth connected. We're going to run this from the beginning again, and just notice the volume is about 60%, and I'm standing about 3 feet behind the Artisan X8. Let's have a listen to that. Hello and welcome back to Real Man's Garage. We're outside today, beautiful day, a little wispy, white clouds and blue sky, etc. We have today the Potensic Atom 2, the Potensic Atom 2, okay? I've been busy with some other drones lately. Some turned out, some didn't, etc., etc. So we're going to give this one a shot. We got the Atom 1. I have a couple of videos on that. The Atom 2, I got a little while ago. I was waiting for some updates to come on, and they have. Not the ones we wanted, but we're going to have a look. This is another 4K file from the FIMI Mini 3, I believe, and it's on the HY300 Pro. No music. Not bad. It doesn't come out crystal clear, but the farther back you go, it does look really, really good. Okay? So you get a good idea of what your videos are like anyway. That's the furnace booting up. For air conditioning, because it's really hot outside. Okay? So this is the HY300. Y300. Looks better. Looks better. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. So that's the CY300 Pro. This is the Mini 3. It's a little sketchier. Try a little differently here. Don't know why there's that line there, but there we go. Don't like that one.
Now we can zoom by just scrolling this wheel here. Okay, you can scroll, and I'm at 2.7, so I can go in farther. Yeah, I can go 3 times. At 4K, go in 2 times, 2.7, 3, and 1080, going 4 times. I'm going to use the zoom. Okay, so let's go over here a little bit. Okay.
But it's pretty good. So this is the Naneti NT30. No music. This is a 4K video. Okay, it's a 4K video from the Atom 2. Okay, it was done a little while ago, going across the old cemetery area and out towards the valley. There we go. So that does not too bad. It interprets 4K and puts it down to 1080p. Get a few artifacts here and there, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. Let's stop that.
Hello, welcome back to Real Man's Garage. We're outside today, beautiful day, a little wispy, white clouds and blue sky, etc. We have today the Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2, okay? I've been busy with some other drones lately. Some turned out, some didn't, etc., etc. So we're going to give this one a shot. We got the Atom 1. I have a couple of videos on that. The Atom 2, I got a little while ago. I was waiting for some updates to come on, and they have. Not the ones we wanted, but we're going to have a look. White clouds and blue sky, etc. We have today the Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2, okay? I've been busy with some other drones lately. Some turned out, some didn't, etc., etc. So we're going to give this one a shot. We got the Atom 1. I have a couple of videos on that. The Atom 2, I got a little while ago. I was waiting for some updates to come on, and they have. Not the ones we wanted, but we're...
Okay. This is the NT30. There we go. Let's see what else we can find. There you go. It's the Atom 1. And it looks really good. Really good. Okay. Really good for what it is. This was natively shot in 1080p at 60 frames per second. Okay, this is the 7950S, the bigger one, okay? It doesn't play the 4Ks, but it does a really good job. It's brighter and it does a really good job. The reservoir, Adam ones come out really good in this projector. They really do. This one was done at 1080p 60. So the 1080p's do come out better on this projector. It's a lot brighter, but it does have its flaws. This is the Fimi Mini 3 just coming home, and this is 1080p at 60. So there you go. So it does play the 1080p's a lot better than some of the other ones. Going out through the valley there. I believe this is the DJI one. You can hardly hear that, can you? It's 80% there. Let's put the X8 speaker on that and see what the difference is. Another one there. That's pretty good. What it is. Welcome back to Realman's Garage. We have the L200 Pro Max on the pad. The difference between the Pro Max and just the Pro is it's got optical avoidance. It's got a little camera on top, and we'll show you that right there. When we have a D card, it has one of the... doesn't do anything because we have to start the motors. Okay, we're going to turn around. Not too much higher, please. There we go. Okay, let's go out. See how far we're up at 49 meters. Okay, we're just going to see how far we go with this. We got the video going. There we go. It says on the bottom we've got 45 meters we're out, and that says... Okay, so the screen says... Okay, it's up there, 229. That's what they say. Okay, we're going to go on to Google and I'll tell you, it's not 200, no, it's about, what's 191. It's back. That's what happens. Here we go. Let's do that. Let's close that. Not bad for the L200. Open this again. Yeah, it lost connection. There we go. And welcome back to Realman's Garage. A beautiful day today, December the 1st. I think I put more gas in my snowblower this year than I did all of last year. This season hasn't even started yet. Here it comes. Let's go this way. And turn around. Beautiful, eh? Lots of snow. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed. Inexpensive way to view your videos on a big screen without spending a lot of money, okay? The speakers doing a phenomenal job for what they are, okay? And as you look up on the database for each one, you can find out which one might suit your needs better. What I was most impressed with was this little guy, okay? You can get it for $59, $55 or less, okay? I got it on Temu, okay? And it's not bad. It does a pretty good job for what it is, okay? It's the cheapest one, and obviously it's not as bright as some of the others, but it does a really good job. In a dark room, they all do a really, really good job. This one is the brightest, and it's the biggest and the heaviest, okay? But it does a super job, and they all use, just a second, they all use HDMI or a flash drive. So there you go. The user interface on all these is pretty similar, easy to know. I'm not going to get into that. You look at the database, you can look them up on YouTube, etc., etc. They're all really good for the money, okay? Some do drop 4K video down to 1080p. Some won't play 4K video, okay? I believe this one and this one will play 4K video, the rest only 1080p. So I'm sorry. If I was only shooting in 4K, I'd probably stick with something like the NT30, okay? I do a lot of 1080p, and a lot of my YouTubes that I produce are in 1080p. I maybe shot in 4K, but it's in 1080p, and I can use it with this one. I really like it a lot, okay? So I like this one, and this one. This one because it's cheap, okay? Anyway, that's it. Portable mini projectors. I wouldn't have thought about them before, but I think, hey, no brainer, okay? Especially for a movie night or out in the backyard. And again, we also use portable power. There you go. Anyway, till next time, take care. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, buy me a coffee. Go out and buy a projector. Bye now.